Hi, my name is Brian Steele and I'm president of Steele Education Technologies. We are super excited about our new learning platform, Lingua Galaxiae. This platform is revolutionary both in the way education is delivered and consumed. This platform represents language as a living system through the use of curriculum, gaming, writing, managing, and final assessment. Lingua Galaxiae emphasizes both the art and science of language. The science of language is evident through its curriculum. Change is constant, self-knowledge, rules of discovery, systems theory, human nature, rules to manage human nature, language theory, and propaganda. Now, the game only considers those ideas that can be demonstrated using the five senses. All else is considered metaphysics and set outside the game without prejudice. We do this because repetition within narrow parameters builds intellectual strength, agility, stamina, and speed. If you'd like to know more about the curriculum, I've authored the new English class, a guide to the writing game Lingua Galaxiae, available at Amazon and other booksellers. First and foremost, this platform is a game. There's a point structure, and here on my points page, there is a private chat room where players can communicate with each other and the game master. As we will see, there are two other types of chat rooms within the game, all intended to build community and facilitate the sharing of ideas. Here in the player commons, players have access to a game-wide chat wall, announcements, statistics, how-to tutorials, and a listing of all the players currently logged on and at what step. Fundamental to the game is the practicing of systems theory and the ability of the player to challenge any aspect of the game through a rigorous and demanding process. If a rule or definition is successfully changed, it will be followed by an icon that is linked to a pop-up page that lists the history of the changes, including the dates, authors, and arguments. In this way, the game mirrors the way the law manages change through the use of precedent. This game facilitates a level of writing practice well beyond the capacities of the average classroom. I would know. I was a high school English teacher for 5 years. Each school day, players watch a daily video streamed live and available for later viewing, write an essay between 25 and 600 words that responds to the video's prompt, submit an essay to the writing coach, review the writing coach's critique of the previous day's essay, making changes as desired, save a final draft of the previous day's essay, and submit and review any outstanding change order essays. Writing and reviewing every day, 5 days a week for 4 months. The Player's My Game Room is a personal learning space where the player watches the daily video and initiates the step essay. Notice the chat room where players discuss matters of the current step. Each step is maintained for future reference and so that players who fall behind can catch up while benefiting from the group's earlier interactions. There are 80 daily steps, each with an essay plus the final project, so that requires a lot of management. The software is filled with workflow controls. Players advance to the next step only after they have submitted an essay for the previous step. Players who fall behind may catch up at their own speed. Essays must satisfy a maximum word count. Essays are complete only after they've been reviewed by the writing coach and saved by the player as a final draft. All essays must be completed before launching the final portfolio. This is the player's main page of organization, My Production Room. Here, players can check the status of their essays, work on essays, initiate a change order, and pull essays over to the final project side for later use. For the final project, players produce a 4-tab web page that draws from previously completed essays. There is a formal thesis paper based on my proprietary by-the-numbers system, an expressive essay that describes the experience of playing Lingua Galaxiae, and essays that answer the two fundamental questions of the game. Who am I? What do I want? Because of the back and forth between player and game master, when completed, this portfolio will be ready for college applications. This game works as well for in-class blended learning as it does for individual study, and we are excited about the range of students that can benefit from playing this game. High school students struggling with learning disabilities, high academic achievers looking to enhance academic performance, students looking to augment their college applications, and college students preparing for the LSAT. Lingua Galaxiae benefits everyone who plays. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the playing field.